So congratulations to Everyday Morons. This time you did not live up to your username. You actually hit it dead on, and you were one of the first to comment. I love how you used the little bolt emoji too, making it seem like the contest was just too easy for you. Get a hold of me down in the comment section so that I can send over those lights to you. Congratulations. So what is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. That little bit was from the giveaway contest I had a couple weeks ago, but in this video I'm going to be installing a boost bottle kit onto my pocket bike. I've already got the boost bottle installed, but I did film the entire process, so let's roll the install. So I hope everyone enjoyed that install. Be sure to leave some feedback for me because that's what keeps me doing these videos. I did end up installing the bottle right under the tank here. Well, actually not the tank on this bike, but it is right under this fairing, and I was wanting to put it right here, but it just wasn't working out like I thought it would. So it actually had a nice little spot right here, and I went with it. There was a little bit of modification that I had to do to the fairing on the inside, just a tiny bit of plastic that I had to actually cut off, but it wasn't a big deal. Nothing that you can see on the outside of the bike, so that is a good thing. But before we get into the riding, I do want to clarify that I don't swear by these boost bottles at all. This is my first time trying it out on the pocket bike, and I've actually heard both sides for these boost bottles. People swear that they work, and then I've heard the opposite too. So I want to link a video that I watched where a guy really breaks them down and puts some good points out there. So if you're interested in getting this kit for yourself, maybe check out his video and learn the science behind these boost bottles. All right, let's get into riding the bike. So this is where I'm going to be doing the pulls, my favorite spot, the airport. I'm really able to open up the bike here, and last time I did the top speed video, I got it up to 47 miles per hour. So I'm hoping to climb above that, but that's all I'm going to be measuring for the test, and 50 miles per hour would really tickle me, but who knows, maybe we'll end up losing miles per hour. We'll just have to find out. So let's get into this ride. All right, so I'm in my car. Let's check it out. Top speed 45. So we lost 2 miles per hour. Man, are you serious? Let's keep doing a couple more pulls. I'll let the bike cool off a little bit, but before this, I wasn't riding it at all, so those might have been the golden pulls right there, but we only got to 45. I'll have to keep testing it here. Let's do some more pulls. Couple more pulls there, I'm in my car, and it looks like we gained another miles per hour up to 46. So I think I'm gonna go on a GoPro only ride, just because it might be I might be losing miles per hour just doing the pulls past the camera like that. So I'm gonna be able to take the bike a little bit further. So I'm gonna pack up my camera gear in my car, lock it up, and then we'll take the bike a little bit further. Hopefully we don't get stranded or something, but I'll check the gas levels too. So let's get on to that. So I've got everything packed up and I'm about to go on a ride with just the GoPro here. I'm not necessarily banking on much, but hey, I've never really cruised this thing and had you guys with me on the GoPro. It's just so loud. I doubt you guys can even hear me if I try to talk through a ride, but we'll just go on a little cruise here, check out what's happening around the warehouses around here. Oh my gosh, guys, that was a total fail. I don't think I wrecked anything on the bike though, but there's a cop up there that just turned. I don't know if you guys saw that on the GoPro, but yeah, I totally just slipped on that gravel right there. I'm kind of in shock mode right now, but I don't think that I wrecked anything on the bike. No, none of the body got wrecked. The peg kind of saved it a bit, but wow, that was a total fail. That cop got me. I tried to jut into this little parking lot back here, but that's kind of funny for the video, so hopefully everyone is watching still. But let's start up the bike again and get on our way. Wow. That's the second time I've actually wrecked on this bike. guys, so I've got a chance to catch my breath. I'm really sweating from having that helmet on. It's only about 71, but the humidity is up a little bit. That could have a play into the top speed, honestly, because when I did the top speed video, we had a little bit cooler temperatures. Not really cool, it was still a nice day out, but probably not as hot as in muggy as today. But I just checked the app again, and we're still at 46 miles per hour. Yeah, 46 miles per hour still, so at least you guys got to see a little wipeout since we didn't actually gain any power, but man, that's really a bummer. It's still hard for me just to chalk up the boost bottles as being worthless, because it kind of goes into that video that I've linked in the description where these things can't just, there's no way they can just be universally perfect for every different situation of bike and engine. So that could have a play into what I'm doing here. I've heard they work on the motorized bikes well, but obviously this isn't a motorized bike engine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned for the FMF install coming up next. Thanks for watching.